Have you ever seen a 30mm thick cake board? Well, afraid you have no concept. Let's recognize the different sizes of cake board. This is a 3mm thick cake board. It's thin, right? Let's see the next one. It's a 5mm thick cake board. It's a little bigger. What about the 12mm? Regular. Common. This is the common cake board size. You can see this size in all kinds of cake decorations. Now, I believe you have a certain understanding of some of the regular cake board sizes. So, let's see what a 30mm cake board looks like.
Wow.
Amazing, isn't it? Okay, it's an honor to introduce you to the new products we've launched. The new product is thicker and has a better supporting line. And likewise, it utilizes the latest encapsulation process, which gives the product a superior overall texture. You can use it to hold large cakes and use it for any occasion. If you are interested, please contact us.